Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add black cinematic bars across the top and bottom of your videos in Adobe Premiere Elements. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do this depending on your situation. So if you have just one video clip you want to apply it to, the easiest way to do so is to go to the Effects menu and then search for Crop, and then you drag the crop effect to your timeline here. And now you could adjust the size of the bar, so obviously you want to go the top and the bottom, like so. Just keep in mind it's going to cut off a little bit of your clip, so now when you play it, it applies to the whole thing. Okay, so that's one way. So let's undo this here. Okay, so now the other way, so let's say you had a bunch of edits, so you had individual clips like so, and you don't want to have to apply the crop effect to each one and then adjust the size to make sure it works out to be exactly the same. So to get around that, you could go to your project assets, go to this menu item here, go to new item, adjustment layer. So this gives you kind of this black layer here. Then you could drag it down to one of your video lines here, stretch it all the way across. And now what you want to do is go back to the effects and then drag the crop effect to the adjustment layer rather than the actual video itself. So now when we go here and here, it's actually being applied to this layer here and not here, but it still shows on top of your video, and that way if you make other edits and remove some footage or add something, you don't have to worry about reconfiguring the black bars for that specific clip. Alright, so once again, you could either just go to your effects, search for crop, apply it to your clip, or if you have multiple clips, go to project assets, go to the menu here, new item, adjustment layer, drag the adjustment layer to your timeline, stretch it across the duration of your video, and then you could apply the crop effect to that adjustment layer. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.